Mommy. Ay, Dios, the baby. Look. ¿Qué? Yeah, the Shaba? No, there's nothing over there. Look, you see? You see? This is mine. That's yours. Yeah, it's okay. Look. Hey, hey. Hey, bye. Beso. Bye. Yeah, you see your hands with chocolate, Mommy? With the chocolate with the baby? Mm. Bye. Right? Chocolate, chocolate. Chocolate with strawberry cake. Mmm. Mmm. You look so precious, the baby, Mommy. You look so pretty. Look at you with all the chocolate in your mouth. Mm. I'm recording her. So I can show Mommy. Mommy gonna get happy you eating chocolate. I'm recording her. Yeah, she's gonna get mad at me, but it's okay.
Don't tell her that you gave her this.
Yeah, and she knows. I already took pictures. How I'm not gonna tell her. Yes. She's gonna say, why you gonna do that? Why you eat chocolate? So that's my baby. I even put a ponytail on her. You see I put a ponytail?
Yeah.
Mommy, you're gonna fall. Oh wow, she's eating all that chocolate. Look at her, yes. Look, that tongue, girl. She don't want to miss no spots. You have fun, Mom. It's okay. I take care of shower. Yeah, you have fun, Mom. It's okay. No, you're not done yet. She just want to mess with it.
How long they said not?
Oh, she's done? You don't want no more?